Oh, these are not fun. Find the lateral area and surface area. First off, what's the difference between the two? The lateral area is basically the area of the sides, not including the bases. So first off, you have to make sure that your shape is sitting exactly the way it has to. And lateral area would be like, well, let's find the area of a box if I were to take off the top and the bottom and we only care about the sides. So in this case, the lateral area is going to be that rectangle, and that rectangle in the back. The surface area is all of the sides. So in this case, the rectangle, the triangle on the top, and the same exact triangle on the bottom. Now, if you wanted to do it that way, or if you wanted to split everything apart and be like, all right, well, then the lateral area is, let's find the area of U plus the area of U plus the area of U. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong at all. But if we want to save a little bit of time, there are formulas for prisms. Now, that's supposed to be a straight line, and I failed miserably. Let's do the lateral area first, okay? And the formula for the lateral area for any prism is going to be, and I'll use L for lateral, the perimeter of the base times the height, okay? The perimeter of the base times the height of the shape. So, in my case, the lateral area is going to be 8 plus 6, which is 14, plus 10, which is 24. The height of my shape is 4. And so the lateral area for this guy is 96. I can handle the math on this one. Now, this is kilometers, and we're talking about area. So the lateral area is kilometers squared, because with area, you square your units. That is the lateral area. Now, what I want to do is I want to find the total surface area of my shape here. Okay, so the total surface area, which I'll call SA, and I know what you're thinking, hey, that's what I call my friends. I call them SA. No, not for this. Surface area is going to equal 2 times the area of the base. We've seen that capital B when we've done, it's volume before, plus the perimeter times the height. All right, so first things first, we have a triangle for a base. Okay, so if I wanted to find the area of the base, I'm looking at my triangle, 1/2 times base times height. If I were looking at this triangle right here, it would sit perfectly fine on top of that 8. So 1/2 of base would be 1/2 of 8 times height would be 6. So half of 8 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, so each base has an area of 24. So my surface area is going to be 2 times 24 plus perimeter times height. Well, wait a minute. I did that already. I got 96. Well, let's not overcomplicate things. 2 times 24 is 48. And 48 plus 96 is 144. A nice number. Again, we're dealing with area, so our units of measure are going to be square kilometers. Okay? Again, with these guys, you can split it up in different parts and add up each side, pretend you have a scissors and cut out all 5 sides here and just add them up and add 3 of them and add 5 of them, but whatever. I did it using the formulas. That's easier for me. I did it. It's done.